Okay, hi. Kumusta kayong lahat? Maraming salamat sa pag-click ng channel ko na ito. This is the review about the National Qualifying Examination for School Heads in quiz. So, ang pag-usapan natin dito, it is all about the DepEd Order number 19, series of 2018. So, dated April 18, 2018. Ito yung DepEd Order number 19, series of 2018. So, Kagawaran ng Edukasyon, Republic of the Philippines. Okay, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education. Yan yung makikita natin dyan sa taas. Now, guidelines on the utilization of the National Literacy Awards. Support funds for DepEd regional offices. 2. Undersecretaries, assistant secretaries, bureau and service directors, regional directors, school division superintendents, public elementary and secondary school heads, all other concerned. So, yan yung nakikita natin dyan. Sa number 1, the Department of Education, DepEd, through the Literacy Coordinating Council, LCC, will conduct the National Literacy Awards, NLA, pursuant to Presidential Proclamation number 329 entitled Declaring the period of September 2 to 8 every year as Literacy Week. Yan yung napakaloob dyan sa number 1 na yan, na statement na yan. Number 2, the awards is a biennial activity of LCC which aims to A. Contribute to the realization of the goal of universalizing literacy in the Philippines by creating public awareness of and interest in programs, projects, and activities addressing this concern. Letter B. Sustain, expand, and institutionalize literacy efforts by motivating and recognizing individuals, institutions, and local government units through the granting of awards and appropriate recognitions. Letter C. Encourage the development and reflection of innovation, creative, and indigenous literacy programs. And D. Bestow honor and recognition to outstanding government and non-government organizations for their dedication, commitment, and contribution to the universalization of literacy in their respective communities. Number 3, the NLA was launched in 1994. Since then, it has become the highlights of every Literacy Works conference. Since the NLA launch, many individuals, institutions, and local government units have been involved in literacy development and have been accorded awards for their outstanding achievements. 4. In support to LCC's advocacy to effective implementation, the aforementioned search for outstanding implementers for literacy programs, projects, fund supports shall be downloaded to all DepEd regional offices. The includes guidelines on the utilization of the National Literacy Award support funds for DepEd regional offices, stipulates and procedures on funds release, utilization, reporting, and liquidation. Okay. Number 5, for more information, contact the LCC Secretariat, second floor, Bonifacio Building, Department of Education, DepEd Central Office, DepEd Complex, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, at telephone numbers 02-631-0590, 02-631-0567, 02-631-0579, or email at cc@deped.gov.ph. 6. Immediate dissemination of unwed compliance with this order is directed, signed by DepEd Secretary Leonor Magtoles Briones. Enclosed as stated, reference DepEd Memorandum Number 81 Series of 2016. To be indicated in the perpetual index under the following subjects: allocations, awards, expenses, funds, literacy, organizations, policy, rules and regulations. MCR DEM guidelines on the utilization of the National Literacy Award support funds for DepEd regional offices, ROs 0193-March 3, 5, 2018, 3 to 7. Okay, inclosure to DepEd Order Number 19 Series of 2018. Guidelines on the utilization of the National Literacy Award support funds for DepEd regional offices. 1. Roman numeral 1, rationale and background. Number 1, the Department of Education DepEd mobilize all sectors of society, governments, agencies, non-government organizations, people's organization, local government units, and civil society organizations to promote and disseminate the importance of literacy to all national progress, and consequently inspire them to develop, implement, and sustain literacy programs projects throughout the country. It has been demonstrated that literacy programs project can help alleviate poverty, provide livelihood, address social welfare needs, promotes freedom, and make educational policies more accessible. It is likewise believed that through the closer coordination among agencies can be developed and continuous capability building for literacy workers can be achieved. Number 2, numerous stakeholders and advocates of literacy and continuing education presently conduct literacy projects nationwide to address the present problem of illiteracy. In spite of difficulties such as poor compensation, hampered mobility due to geographical and peace and order problems, inadequacy of teaching materials, to name a few, the commitment and dedication of these stakeholders and institutions have not dimmed even slightly. These literacy stakeholders and institutions truly deserve special recognitions for their devotion and dedication towards the campaign against illiteracy. Number 3, in its desire to recognize their significant contribution and bestow honor on these literacy stakeholders, the DepEd through the Literacy Coordinating Council LCC launched the National Literacy Awards NLA in 1994. The NLA was held in abeyance in 2006 to 2007 to allow the conduct of its process and impact evaluation. Based on the favorable result of the evaluation and the researchers' recommendations, the NLA resumed in 2008. The awards is now conducted every other year to give enough time for the stakeholders, especially the local government units, LGUs, to develop and implement literacy programs and projects in their respective communities. Okay. Number adjust natin yung natin. Number 2, Roman numeral number 2, scope of the policy. The guidelines cover all DepEd regional offices and all other personnel concerned. Roman numeral number 3, definition of terms. For purposes of this order, the following terms are defined as follows. A. The National Literacy Awards NLA is a biennial nationwide event that aims to honor and recognize outstanding government and non-government organizations for their dedication, commitment, and contribution to the universalization of literacy in their respective communities. The NLA has become LCC's major activity that serves as its primary advocacy. B. The National Literacy Conference (NLC) is an annual event conducted by the LCC that generally aims to provide venue for sharing experiences and implementing literacy programs and projects for the development of the community. C. The Regional Selection Committee (RSC) is a multi-sectoral committee from the region tasked to conduct all the activities of the NLA selection process. Roman numeral number 4. Policy statement. The DepEd hereby establishes the guidelines on the utilization of funds supports for National Literacy Awards that covers procedures on its release, utilization, liquidation, and reporting of accomplishment. Roman numeral number 5. Procedures. A. Fund allocation and release. Number 1, support funds amounting to 35,000 pesos will be provided each regions biennially coinciding with the NLA for the utilization of the NLA REC for the conduct of NLA related activities at the regional level starting fiscal year 2018. The total amount allocation per year of the NLA to all regional offices is 595,000 pesos. Number 2, after the receipt of sub-arrow, the regional offices shall request the corresponding cash requirements or notice of cash allocation from the Department of Budget and Management (DBM). For the RM region, ARMM region, or the Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao, the DepEd Central Office will issue the fund support through a funding check. Number 3, the breakdown of the fund supports per region is found in Annex 1. B. Fund utilization. Number 4, the seed fund shall be used for the following initial steps for the NLA process. A. Organizations and orientations of the NLA REC in every region to evaluate all entries in the 5 categories: outstanding literacy programs, outstanding local government units, highly urbanized city, component independent component city, first to third class municipality, and 4th to 6th class municipality. B. Review the documents submitted to their office to select the top 3 nominees per category. And C. Conduct of site visits for verification of the interests, including interviews with the literacy program proponent, literacy programs managers, learners, and other concerned stakeholders. 5. The funds for the conduct of the aforementioned program shall be utilized for the following: A. Transportation allowance for on-site validation of REC members. B. Meal allowance for on-site validation of REC members. C. Meetings, meals and snacks. D. Supplies and materials. E. Documentation of entries, portfolios, and F. Other miscellaneous expenses. 6. However, the following objects of expenditure shall not be allowed under the subsidy: A. Personal service such as salary, overtime pay, and honoraria. B. Expenses such as utilities, water, electricity, internet, connectivity, among others, funded from the regular maintenance and other operating expenses, MOOA. C. Capital outlay such as purchase of equipment and gadgets. And D. Hiring and payment of salaries of additional staff. Number 7. In case there is an excess of budget, such may be used for other related expenses. However, if the funding is insufficient to cover other needed activities, additional relevant expenses shall be charged to the local funds or through the support of internal partners. C. Liquidation and accountability. Number 8. Each regional office's RO is accountable for the disbursement and liquidation of funds based on the activities set forth in these guidelines, subject to the usual accounting and auditing rules and regulations. 9. The regional offices ROs must submit a physical and financial accomplishment report on the utilization of funds signed by the REC persons following the format found in Annex 2. Number 10. The physical and financial accomplishment report shall be submitted by ROs on or before August of the current year to the Literacy Coordinating Council Secretariat, 2nd floor, Bonifacio Building, DepEd Complex, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, through email address lcc@deped.gov.ph or fax number 631-0579. D. Monitoring and evaluation. 11. To ensure the proper implementation of this order and utilization of the funds, monitoring and evaluation shall be conducted by the LCC Secretariat in coordinating with the department, in coordination with the DepEd regional offices. E. Effectivity. This order shall take effect immediately until sooner amended, repealed, rescinded, and superseded. Annex 1. National Literacy Awards. Support funds for DepEd regional offices. Breakdown of allotment. Okay, as you see from region 1, 2, 3, 4A, 4B, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Caraga Region, NCR, CAR, ERMM. The amount 35,000 each region with a total of 595,000 pesos. Annex 2. Okay. This is the Annex 2. Annex 2. National Literacy Awards, support funds for DepEd regional offices, financial and physical accomplishment. Region, blank. So, dyan nyo ilalagay kung anong region kayo. Amount of subsidy received. Check. Number, date received. Amount utilized, amount liquidated. Activities, accomplishment, physical and financial. Then remarks, prepared by, then approved by. Then it should have a date kung kailan na-approve. Okay. So, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share to your friends about this DepEd order number 19 series of 2018 dated on April 18, 2018. Ito yung DepEd order natin. So, malinaw, naiintindihan natin. The guidelines on the utilization of the National Literacy Award support funds for DepEd regional offices. So, thank you for watching. God bless us all.